Guys, I'm making this video today because I am tired of seeing people getting scammed. I'm tired of seeing people losing all their money, struggling to get out of the trenches, while other people, while big influencers are making a shitload of money on your back, guys. Today, I'm here to ungatekeep the method they have been using, the method they have been gatekeeping from you guys, that I have been using to make a lot of money. I'm talking about millions of dollars, while you guys were left clueless about what really was going on behind the scenes, guys. I'm doing this for the love of the game, guys. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to sell you a Telegram group or a Discord server or any of these things. I'm here to help you guys out, to get out of the trenches and to prevent you guys from getting scammed. You know what I'm saying? And maybe to replicate the method they're using to make your own money, guys. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So what I'm gonna show you today is how these people are able to create meme coin on the Solana blockchain, primarily on Radium. So they list their coin on Radium. Radium is like the biggest Solana decentralized exchange out there. That's where the biggest meme coins are getting traded on. So they launch their coin on it. They get a lot of exposure because, like I said, it's the biggest Solana decentralized exchange available. They got a lot of buyers, a lot of volume, and when there's enough buyers, they just decide to remove the liquidity pool for profit. I'm going to show you how they do it, all for educational purposes only, of course. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, what to invest in, where to put your money in. It's just for educational purposes to show you how these people are doing it. So yeah, guys, let's get straight to it. So the first step is actually going to be creating the coin, creating the token. To do so, I found a really good platform. It's mintrush.fun. I use it for my own personal projects. It's simple, fast, easy to use. There's no coding required. You just click on a couple of buttons and your coin gets launched. It's pretty straightforward, guys. I'm just going to show you around the website quickly. So there's a step-by-step on how to make your coin on Mintrush. These are the Mintrush top performers. So basically, these coins have been created using Mintrush, and they reached crazy high market caps. There's also an FAQ. If you have any questions, your questions might get answered here. But yeah, guys, let's get straight to it. So the first step is actually going to be connecting your wallet to the platform. So to do so, you just click on select wallet and you connect your wallet to the platform. It's as easy and straightforward as this, guys. Then what you're going to do, guys, the next step would be choosing the coin, the token to launch. So some people, what they do, they go on PumpFun, they just copy PumpFun trending coins. Another method that is available is, instead of going on PumpFun, you go on Deck Screener and you look for coins that have already graduated from PumpFun or coins that have been launched on Radium directly. So to do so, you just go on Deck Screener, you scan what's going on, you look for logos like this with the R, basically means that it's live on Radium. So you know what, we're going to take this coin as an example. So this coin, useless, it's on Radium, it's trading on Radium. There's a big market cap, big liquidity. So guys, what you would do next is you would just copy and paste the name and the symbol of the coin. So this is the symbol, guys. I'm just first gonna start with the name. So evil, I know, guys, but that's how these people have been making a shitload of money. Like, it's why you guys are always getting rock pulled. That's why you guys are really always getting dumped every time you buy into a token. This is, just write a dumb description, doesn't really matter. This is a useless coin. So for the decimals, put it at 9. It's set at 6, but 9 is better. Then for the logo here, what you would do is you would just go on their Twitter, for example, and save their profile image. Here it is. So it would just save the, boom, you go back on, you upload your image here, then you just click on continue. So for the social links, doesn't really matter. If you want to, you can paste them from here, but I'm not gonna do it here because it doesn't really make a big difference, guys. You can just click on continue. And here, guys, that's the most important part of the coin creation process, guys. You need to revoke these three authorities, guys, or else no one's going to buy into your coin. No one's going to trust your coin. So you need to revoke freeze authority here. So basically, you're not going to be able to freeze the wallets of people buying into your coin. You're going to revoke mint authority. So basically, you're not going to be able to create more tokens out of thin air. So people are actually going to trust your coin more. And then you're going to revoke update authority. So basically, it doesn't let you change the name, symbol, picture of your token later on, even after launching it. So when you revoke these, people are actually going to trust your coin. They're going to know that they're going to think that it's a long-term project, and they're actually going to buy into it. So make sure these three authorities are checked, and then you can just click on launch my token now. So guys, no worries, this is a standard message because the platform is a bit new, but no worries, I'm going to show you the entire coin creation process throughout the video without any cuts. You can just proceed anyway. You can confirm, you confirm. So guys, right now the token is getting created, so you got to give it 20 to 30 seconds. It's going to show up soon in the website. Alright guys, the token has been successfully created. So you can view it on SolScan, you can view it on the Explorer, doesn't really matter. So it takes a bit of time to show up on SolScan, so we're just gonna check it on the Explorer here. So let me just copy and paste the token address here on the Explorer. Here it is. And normally our coin should show up. Yep, here it is. So it was created a minute ago. That's our token address, as you can see here. Useless coin, 1 billion supply, 9 decimals. That's our token image. Everything is in check, guys. So let me just refresh on SolScan. Yep, it showed up. Useless coin, useless. Yep, a minute ago. So everything is in check, everything is good. So now, guys, the next step would actually be creating the liquidity pool. So people are now going to be able to trade your token. They're going to be able to buy and sell your token. To do so, you can do it directly on the platform, on Mintrush. Everything stays on Mintrush. So you would just select your coin, your useless coin. You would select the amount of SOL you want to put into your token. So for example, 0.05, but I would advise you amounts such as 0.4, 0.5 SOL here. Just to start, to make your first $100 to $200. For bigger projects, I myself put around 20 to 25 SOL for big, legit projects. But for these kinds of schemes, you don't need to put a lot of SOL. You can only put 0.4, 0.5 SOL, and it's going to work out perfectly fine. For the token amount here, you would put around 90% of the supply. So it comes around 900 million of your tokens, because we basically created 1 billion tokens. You would put 900 million of your tokens here. And you would just click on add liquidity, and it's gonna create the liquidity pool for you guys, basically. But I'm not gonna do it in this video because basically I have another token that I launched a couple of hours ago that is performing really well, that I want to show you guys. I want to show you how it looks, when you actually get a good token going on, and how much profit you can actually make. So let me just show you guys. So here it is, guys. That's the token. So I created it, I launched it a couple of hours ago. When you create a liquidity pool on Mintrush, after like 5 to 10 minutes after creating the liquidity pool, it's going to show up here. All your liquidity pool are going to show up here, by the way. So here then you're going to be able to view your coin on Dex Screener. So let's do it, for example, here. That's the token I created, ST. So I'm just waiting for more buys, more sales to come in. I don't really know what to do with this coin yet. But if I decide to remove the liquidity pool here, if I decide to remove 100% of the liquidity pool, I should get back 257 SOL back in my wallet. And I'm already $28,000, $29,000 in profit. So you know what? For the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you the transaction to show you how it works. So you just select the amount you want to remove. Then you click, for example, here, if I wanted to remove 100%, then you click on remove 100%. So look, guys, that's how the transaction looks. If I ever confirm, I would just receive all of this back into my wallet. I'm not going to do it though. because, it's more of a long-term project. But, when you create a coin and you put 0.4, 0.5 SOL in the liquidity pool, you could expect up to 4x, 5x the 0.4 SOL you put into your wallet, into the liquidity pool, my bad. So yeah, this method is really powerful. That's why a lot of people have been making a lot of money, and they've been gatekeeping this method from you guys, which is absolutely crazy.